Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Parmesan crusted tilapia in the oven. For this recipe, I'll be preheating my oven to 400 degrees. For the ingredients, I'll be using grated Parmesan cheese, salt, parsley flakes, paprika, olive oil, and my 2 slices of tilapia. To get started, I'm going to take my kitchen scissors and slice my tilapia into 2 halves. Then I'm going to go ahead and mix my seasoning together. In this, I have 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 tablespoon chopped parsley, and a dash of salt. Then I'm going to go ahead and drizzle some olive oil onto my tilapia. Then I'll go in with my brush to make sure that it is properly coated. Then I will flip sides and do the same. I will then wash my hands and then pour my seasoning out onto a plate and coat my tilapia. Now that my tilapia is fully coated with my seasoning and ready for the oven, I'm going to put it in for 9 minutes in the oven at 400 degrees. My tilapia has been in the oven for 9 minutes. It also depends on the thickness of your tilapia. You might want to leave it in from anywhere between 8 to 11 minutes. Now that it is ready, I'm going to go ahead and serve it with a side of turmeric rice. If you want to see how I made this rice, please leave a comment below. Off camera, I decided to slice 2 lemon wedges, and I'm going to take one and squeeze it over onto my tilapia. I just think this seals everything in and makes the dish complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to check the description down below because I'll be leaving the instructions and the ingredients and measurements to this recipe. Thank you guys for watching.